Hello my friends, another video in English. Today we will try to do some cleanup with my JAWS collection. Like you see, I'm using a couple different types, so it won't be easy, but we will try, of course. This one is quite huge for big bowls, and yes, a bit smaller. So the only one place I found it will be on the left side of the lathe. Maximum dimensions is about 50 by 70 centimeters. I decided to use quite thick plywood, but yes, of course, don't forget about glasses. Safety, it's our priority. You know this sentence. And the easiest way to cut it is, of course, table saw. Now it's time to clean up. Yes, it's this plywood, of course, is quite old scrap piece from another project, so it's time to use it today. Small sander just to clean up, and then I'm using router with about 10 millimeters router bit, just to add some chamfer on the edges, and material it's ready. It's time to think about hanger, or like you see, I will use French clats to hang this piece on the wall, and of course on the bottom you must use some kind of spacer to, yeah, okay, you must use this spacer. The dimension of the spacer should be about the same as the piece on the top, the French clats. And please keep in mind that the French clats must be really parallel to the top edge of this board, because if not, if you put it on the wall, it won't be straight. And of course I did it on the first attempt. I'm joking. Of course I did some mistakes too, so I tried it, I think 2 or 3 times, and after that was really straight. And now for sure is the hardest part of this movie, and the longest one, because like you see, I want to put on this one board so many pieces. Each of them are different dimension, with different dimensions. So keep in mind that you just must be patient and try again. And you know, it's not big deal if you do some mistakes and put the screw on different place. And for sure you should add some screws extra for another pieces. On the top, like you see, there is 2 quite long screws. I don't know, maybe I print some extra parts to help to remove the screws. I don't know, we will see it later. And now it's quite heavy. Yeah, it's quite heavy. And voila, I think it's look really cool. And yeah, like you see, I need to put screw a bit closer to the jaws, the longest one, because these jaws are extra long, so it's quite heavy. But I think it should stay in place. Okay, so after 1 hour, next place for the lathe is done. This screws is quite long, but I think it's working good. This too. Yeah, and the bottom one. And we need to try if any vibration can destroy it. Oh, I think it looks cool. Okay, thank you and see you next time.